So, the object of the weekend is to make new exhaust again. This being the second exhaust that I've made. And just to present how it sounds right now, which it's quite loud. It's no baffles, it's straight piped. So what I'm going to do should probably choke it. So that's it now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these pipes are going to be baffles. I'm going to cut them shorter. I'm going to make them a baffle. I'm going to slide a piece of 2-inch over top so it looks a little cooler. And hopefully it sounds better. Not nearly as loud or deafening. So that's the project of the weekend, and hopefully it all turns out. So we'll get back and check progress later.